unu na-afụ no video onye ala anụ nwa na-trend no. Unu na-afụ video dị onye ala. And this person is totally a madman. Onye akịta bụ gịnị? Ezigbote onye ala kwụ nwa n'azụ dị ha. Because na onwe ka Mr. Chinwo na die or anybody do loyal to these people when you can see na biko kam bia station for questioning. Ko de gika ona Mr. Chinwo na die no now. Nwa amụrụ n'obodo oyibo bụ a citizen of obodo oyibo, that baby be a citizen of obodo oyibo ebe amụrụ ya dị. Does it mean na ona man carry DNA test n'obodo oyibo before ekulu nwa ha nataba Nigeria ebe amụrụ ya? Mmadụ wee kamera wee na-ekwu ihe anụ. O nwere ka ana m eweta video because na I'm just trying to pass a message, because amara ihe yeme na some people can still be there and defend this kind of evil, this kind of atrocities, this kind of wickedness to your own fellow human being. Like I said, onwe ka Mr. Chinwo or anybody, the husband or anybody see this boy ngwa station now, bia kowa or come and prove, because most of the stupidity we know be say na onye obuna asavula akwụkwọ bia station but na actually me arrest. You don't know that now, for example, na unku something against you na social media now, where my own proof and backup, where my own proof to defend that in unku and investigate say, no, this is the proof of Iheneku. You may invite na station, I will gladly come and honor you, because that is the only chance I have to speak out the truth. If you're in a station with your right and evidence, your right will be protected. Mana una amara open and oburu onye obuna afaka na ka mmadu kwuru okwu, any church member or anybody naming hoka take action against it na say na ha na eme ụka, they should allow go to fight for them. Mana mmadu ya nọrọ onwe una na-achọ onye ahụ okwu. Na this young man no take the camera na ekwu for na this news now has been trending since morning. This guy video now has been trending. Omelia AY mecha AY mecha beba yo biko meya MC Bakara mecha MC Bakara mecha beba yo biko then meya Ebuko Obi now kita omena Mr. Chinwo mmadụ you know prominent people ya abona big people ya abona access is if one of their follower now but now decided to nail this guy to the cross now I say na na-emekpa mmadụ or na na-emebu mmadụ, but take a good look at here this guy na no sometimes na ajụ him ona this people enwere ụmụ nwanne na social media. Ona he nwere ndị na-anya advice am na okwu anu we na-ekwu does not mean anything. Okwu anu we na-ekwu is harmful to anybody. Let's forget about church and religion and let us do the right thing at the right time before getting out of hand, because this thing now is gradually getting out of hand. Okwu anu na opukwago onwe he bụ na okwu apugo o megia many people now, but I believe na nke anu will teach me a very good lesson. Kita ndị Zion make invite you. Ndị Zion asave gị akwụkwọ officially nya bịa kene bịa defend ihe ahụ kwuru na no nwere onye bịa kwụwa ụgwọ eme arrange. He should come and defend it, and makwa ama na date ekwulia the dear date oku that video be here the so by the time you have everything you come have to correspond backdating before you cook, because I believe that evidence had to go with you before you cook. So that evidence should be within your position 3 or 4 days or 24 hours before you name that video. Kita egbe video email nke AY ayogide biko bịa yo biko so no maka ka iwe kwa ụgwọ no na nwa meji we ga viral ka iwe nweta ego kwa ụgwọ no. Okay, ekwugo ụgwọ na itenda an apology. Ihe niile na-eme gị wo family mmadụ ka na like ga go with family AY. Si na AY ya to nwa anya ozi ma mụta nwa ga with family MC Bakare no mụtalụ nwa na bụrụ nwa ya no na-eme nwa nka na kita ịga na nke Ebuko Obi na akwụrụ mmadụ ụgwọ towards another person's family. Kita ịba na trap Mr. Chinwo. The last time Mr. Chinwo sulu mmadụ all look 1 billion or 2 billion. 1 or 2 billion go sue mother. One artist just copy a part of her song. Baby will go sue that artist. Kita issue beginner as in a church, sit and power just to Messi. What are you people preaching? Man, can't you people also respect yourself and also don't mother can't. To everybody that supports evil, to everybody that supports this thing, this young man name, the worst than this young man name to people's image will happen to you. If you cannot see the truth and say it once, because no matter what you are worshipping. My anger is equal. I said, happen there. You fight for your God. You may encounter. You allow God to fight for you. What are you learning in the church? I want to say na 70 times 70 times 70. I know if you what are you doing before you tell the mother make you 70 times. No one on there. People believe what they hear. Do you know what kind of this kind of video what it will do to the image of Mrs. Chinwo and the family and that little baby? The one soon name he you know be why mota be home he can and they actually film. So it was for example now 15 years to come or 10 years to come now when you gonna actually ya film and not one mother for nothing. Mama no make you put along like years ago behind a mother affect. Kone mother no kuna mother affect no one. And then of this video kono fi heme nji okuli neko.
Mercy Chinwo husband, go and do DNA on that your son before it becomes too late. Mercy Chinwo husband, you guys should pass this message across to him. Go and do that your son DNA before it becomes late. I don't want to hear judgment of justice for this person or this person. Like you'll be fathering somebody's child. Go and do DNA test. I don't know what Nathaniel Bassey's face is doing on your son's face. That your son no resemble you. You no resemble Mercy Chinwo. Wetin concern your son with Nathaniel Bassey? You guys will see the pictures of this guy on this video. Or go and search for the picture. You see that this boy does not even resemble Mercy Chinwo's husband. If you don't do DNA now, you will end up training another man's child. Mark this word. I'm passing this message across to Mercy Chinwo, the gospel artist. I'm passing this message to her husband and her herself. I want you guys to share this video so Mercy Chinwo husband will see this video. Now there's something I want to tell you guys. Stay tuned. Now she surfaced her son face yesterday on the internet. Everybody saw it. I saw it. But if you can tell yourself the truth, who that baby resemble? That baby resemble Nathaniel Bassey. Blessed something blah blah blah. Chinwo husband, go and do DNA of that child. Go, if you don't do DNA for that child, 18 years, I don't want to hear justice for yourself that you are betraying another man's child right from time. That baby really resemble Nathaniel Bassey. If you're a true Nigerian, look at that picture. You see this picture on this video. Look at that picture very well. You tell me whether the baby did not even resemble Mercy Chinwo. It did not resemble Mercy Chinwo's husband. How many years you go carry Nathaniel Bassey's face? The world, the Christian world is demonic. You see this? You see the entertainment and Christian and musical world are demonic. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If Blessed does not do DNA now, bet me in future that we say he have been training another man's child for the past many years. And remember that internet does not forget anything. This video will be here when I ask you, Blessed, to go and run DNA test on that child, because I'm 100% sure, maybe or maybe not, you are not the father of that child, because the child does not resemble you. He wants to resemble Nathaniel Bassey. I don't know what Nathaniel Bassey's face is doing in your baby. Every time you see Nathaniel Bassey and Mercy Chinwo ministering, going to churches to minister, maybe they don't minister finish, they go minister for bed. Oh, as Nathaniel Bassey minister, as Chinwo minister, they will minister for bed. Let us tell ourselves the truth. That is why many men as father so many children that is not their own. 90% of first son or first daughter in Nigeria, 90% of them, the man they call their father are not the real father. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Truth be told, every day we are hearing that this person is not my child, this person will be training somebody's child. Now God don't bring this one, show you. They tell you, say this face, now Nathaniel Bassey's face, go and do something. But because you are foolishly in love, you don't want to do something. But I want to remind you that when the thing was supposed on this internet, I will still remind you of this video. Just imagine how this girl resembles Nathaniel Bassey. What thing that Nathaniel Bassey they do for your pikin face? Nathaniel Bassey and Mercy Chinwo, they go program, the same program every time back to back. So if the minister finish, they will go Attire, go minister their own. Well, I know that you guys fans will abuse me, say no manner of rubbish. But if you have not seen the picture, go and search for the picture, and you understand what I'm saying. That this child does not belong to Mercy Chinwo's husband. This child belongs to Nathaniel Bassey. Pass this video to them. that this picture they display is not Nathaniel Bassey, it's not blessed child. That video is Nathaniel Bassey's son. Share this video so this video will get to them.